Good morning. Today is Thursday, May 25th, 2023. We're out here at Ortega River Marina, and there was some concerns for the water line with the cleaning that was done at the beginning of last week. So we're going to come back out here and double check it and see exactly what's going on, and then we'll go ahead and we'll clean it up if there's any big concerns. So let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, so looks like there is a little bit of growth. A lot of it looks like it's been growing back already, which we are starting to get into the summertime. But I'll go ahead and scrub what I can, get it all done, do a video afterwards, and then we'll keep monitoring it every time we're out here.